How to download FYERS application on mobile devices. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can download the FYERS application on your mobile device. First step is to open Play Store on your device if you are on Android. If you are on iPhone, go ahead and open the App Store. Now tap on the search bar and you want to search for FYERS. This is the application you should be looking for. FYERS is the top-notch share market trading app shaped by insights of over 700,000 traders. You can explore stocks, futures, options, commodities, mutual funds, and corporate bonds effortlessly on this stock trading app. You can go through the description and also the user reviews from here. Now tap on the install option. Depending on your internet speed and the file size, it will take some time for the application to be downloaded on your device. Once it has been downloaded, it will automatically be installed on your device. Then you can tap on the open option and start using the FYERS app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.